Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Hey, hi Purna.
Hi,
Am I
Trupti.
audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, great. Just give me a second. Okay, yeah. Shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So Purna, before I start, I would like to have your quick introduction. Okay. And also let me know if you're there in this, how you have heard about this BTP and all those things. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah. Let me know.
Hi, myself Purna, and I have work experience of 12 years and in IT sector,
Mm-hmm.
which
12
my work.
years of experience.
Yes, yes. Which my work profession is completely related to the Windows and the IT infrastructure, might be network
Okay.
or the cloud infrastructure or physical infrastructure. And I
Uh-huh.
have worked with different applications related to the monitoring tools or service-based tools or any other tools, virtualization tools, so on so. And coming
Okay.
back, that my main thing to reach your institute or you guys is like I would like to switch my career from this path to the SAP completely. So I want to be expertised in this particular SAP towards sector modules, and I
Mm-hmm.
want to pursue my career towards it rather than other part of the IT. So that is the reason when I'm interacting with the different of my friends and over the internet, I understood that SAP BTP and SAP Basis are one of the tools which is related to my field based upon my background experience. Other than that, they have some development and the warehouse and application business related stuff, which I'm not
Mm-hmm.
do not have any experience towards it. So I choose this one at the moment. And coming back to BTP, the basis is the one which it is the on-prem infrastructure, and BTP is the cloud infrastructure, which according to my knowledge, and
Mm-hmm.
most of the companies are migrating from on-prem to the cloud infrastructure, which I have seen over the internet or some roles and
Mm-hmm.
responsibilities so on so I want to learn towards the latest one rather than the basis. Of course, we do require some knowledge on the basis part, of how the on-prem works and how the application database and other stuff work on the real time. That of course we would like to know. But the initial part is the cloud infrastructure, which most of the things are migrating.
Yeah, yeah. So, for the cloud infrastructure, you will already be acquainted to, right?
Yeah, I have knowledge towards Microsoft 365, Azure, and AWS. I'm aware of, and Google Cloud. I have never worked on it, but it is the same as the different clouds, I guess. I don't think so. It will require much, like
Yeah, yeah.
just
It is
rough
similar.
hands. Yeah, yeah, similar kind of. Yeah,
Yeah, it's similar to that. The only thing is, the terminology and the jargon changes as in when you switch to
yeah.
a
Switch
cloud
to the one
provider.
cloud
That's
to the
it.
other
Yeah.
provider. Yes.
All right. Okay. Uh, so let me also. tell you something about myself, okay, on the
Mm-hmm.
professional background and all. So
Mm-hmm.
it's been more than 10 years for me to be in this SAP world, okay.
Okay.
So I train people on SAP basis,
Mm-hmm.
SAP Solution Manager, and the Cloud ALM as well as the BTP. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
it's all about the administration part. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I have been doing this since you can say 10 years,
Okay.
and I take multiple different projects as well, so that I stay updated onto each and every technology. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so not just being on one project, but I have multiple projects there. So
Mm-hmm.
those projects include working sometimes on BTP, sometimes on Cloud LM, sometimes on basis, and all those things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and yes, I am also a certified consultant, SAP certified consultant.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right, shall we start now?
And
Srijan, anything that you want to say?
No, no, nothing, nothing.
Okay,
I was just checking like if everything is going smoothly or like if there is any issues also. Nothing.
all right. Yeah, Purna, you were saying
yeah.
something.
Yeah, as you mentioned, certificate, like as you are in the same field for past 10 years, I would like to
Mm-hmm.
know about this. Do we require to do the certification? Is it mandatory, or like as I'm right now switching my career from past experience to the new, like from zero? Do the people ask, do you require certification, or have you worked on past experience, or so on so? I just want to know from your end how do I need to deal with it? And I just want to add one more point. Right now, I'm basically based in Germany, and from past 5 years, I'm working in Germany. So that's it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So let me tell you, see, certification is an added advantage that you get, okay? Saying that a
Mm-hmm.
tag that yes, you're certified consultant. But there is no, you know, that I would say that initially you're just starting the career in SAP, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you might, people might ask you for certifications because they themselves also have to showcase to the clients that we have a certified consultant for this
Mm-hmm.
particular thing, okay.
Mm-hmm.
But there's no you can say a mandatory thing that you require certification for working on some uh, project,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because when I started my career initially, I was not certified. After 4 years of experience, I had applied for a certification, that too for S4 HANA, and then I had done my certification, okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Later on, it came as a solution manager, cloud element. No, then I did not certify myself. In case if I have a sponsorship on anything, yes, I will do go for certifications. So
Mm-hmm.
I had a sponsorship for S4 HANA, and that is why I had appeared for that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because it is a huge license cost that you have to pay to SAP
Yeah,
for any
something around
certificate.
1,60,000 or
Yeah,
something like that, which I have heard. Or 35,000,
yes.
like without any classes, you can pay 35,000 and do the certification.
Yeah, but however, that is again an expensive itself,
Y-
okay?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
that is only giving you one license,
Mm-hmm.
okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then it is like maybe sometimes you also have to go to some center, or even if it is online proctored or anything. But if
Mm-hmm.
anything goes wrong between the examination, then the attempt is lost.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, they will never entertain you like about for internet issues or anything like that.
Okay, I understand. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you have that thing, like that is the main problem actually for it.
Mm-hmm. I based upon my past experience and everything, do you suggest me to carry on with BTP, or do you suggest anything else rather than this? As I do not have any knowledge on SAP, like starting a career and something which after starting you cannot again divert or here and there. So I want to start my career completely towards SAP, towards it. So do you suggest completely, or it is okay for the right now position or something?
So see, BTP is emerging, okay? So
Mm-hmm.
BTP is a boom in the market now, BTP administration and all. However, you can also, after having this BTP course, you can also have some touch up from SAP basis also. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because, see, BTP
No,
is
no, it
all
is
about
fine.
the cloud.
Yeah, yeah, it is fine. I can understand because I am also doing some background things in the SAP basis. I
Yeah,
can understand.
just a second, just to give
Yeah.
me a second. Yeah, दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Okay, sorry for the disturbance.
Okay.
Okay, so what I was telling you was about, see, if you are interested, you can also learn SAP basis also. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
why? Because see, BTP is just emerging into this entire thing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so what exactly we have in this BTP is like, every day SAP is bringing up some or the other changes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like they would be introducing some one more feature into it, or they would also be giving up some documentations, adding it up, some services. So these all things would be going on. Okay,
Yes,
then
yes,
there are
yes.
some other different cloud products also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so they will be bringing some of the other features and services in the BTP, and then they will ask you to even start learning those things also.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas BTP administration is one of the safest option that you get
Mm-hmm.
for administrating all the cloud products in under one roof.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, are you learning anything else also apart from this?
No, not at the moment. Why?
Oh, no, I just wanted to check like whether like it is only about BTP admin or something else also you're doing.
No, no. I mean to say, like, I'm learning myself basis actually from the videos and other stuff.
Okay.
Like, at least you should have a basic knowledge on on-prem and how it works. So that is
Yeah.
what I'm learning right now. But yeah.
Yeah, so what happens is basis is a different, I mean, it's a module that you will get in SAP.
Hmm.
Whereas BTP is a kind of product that,
On top of it.
uh, okay, product in the sense a platform where, you will have all your uh, cloud portals and everything.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. But anyway, both of them are linked when you say administration. Okay, basis also you do the admin work as well as BTP as well.
Hmm. Hmm. And
Okay.
what about the migration part? Of course, right now as a BTP, we also learn about migration part as well. Migration from on-prem to the cloud environment.
So see, when we talk about migration here, okay, so it is not the actual migration. Okay, so being
Mm-hmm.
from a technical background, what we say is migration means from source to target, we are just going to migrate the data or something like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what SAP does is SAP is someone who just tells you that it is a migration. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
basically it is a new implementation itself. There is no such product. For example, I'll tell you, suppose if anybody is telling me to migrate from my SAP system to Ariba. It is a sourcing and procurement cloud portal. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so there is no technical transition from my SAP system to Ariba. Okay, what I can do is, it is the processes that I can carry out. from my SAP system to Ariba.
No, what I mean is like as people start saying that migration from on-prem to the cloud environment, which they don't want to use the on-prem servers, they want to migrate everything to the cloud BTP. That is
Uh-huh.
what the migration which I'm talking about.
No, no, uh, that doesn't come into this BTP thing. That will be into your S4 HANA public cloud platform where migrations happen, where we will be having DMO tools and all those things to migrate the data.
Uh, okay, can
Okay.
you please elaborate on that? I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So, see, what happens is you migrate from your on premise data
Mm-hmm.
centers to
Mm-hmm.
your uh, cloud. So, it can be your public clouds, okay, that is
Mm-hmm.
your AWS, Azure, GCP, or
Mm-hmm.
you can also have SAP Rise.
Yeah, SAP Rise. Yeah, I heard about it. Mm-hmm.
So SAP Rise is what? It is again a service that SAP provides. Okay. There is no
Mm-hmm.
cloud as an SAP Rise. But what SAP says is it is a service that they will provide you, that they are responsible for that particular migration and everything. But they will tell you what kind of hyperscaler they would be using, whether it will be AWS, Azure, GCP, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm. And
Okay.
what about the
And then
existing data which is live in on-prem? Do they and like add-on modules or applications which are they're using on the on-prem? Will they transfer everything to the Azure or whichever cloud service they are using, or
yes.
will they just use the connector towards the both the systems?
No, they will take the entire system. They will have all everything installed onto their Azure or AWS or GCP.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
That
they will
this kind
migrate
of
all.
process won't be done by the administrator of the BTP.
No, no. Why? Because that is all about SAP. Okay, I mean SAP products. So what BTP admin will do is whatever there would be integrations. Okay,
Okay.
for example, if there are any cloud integrations or if there are any on-prem integrations, so what BTP admin would be doing is BTP admin would be connecting all those processes
Mm-hmm.
to your SAP system, to your third party systems and all.
Okay,
Understood?
okay. Yeah, I understood, but do the companies do provide this kind of like a team or a member as a role? Because one person, based upon my background experience, like
Mhm.
when we are talking about the IT or something, the people says that if you are working in IT system administrator or whatever it is, you should be having knowledge on the Windows operating system and Linux operating system and some parts of monitoring tools and if you required some virtualization if they are using that
Mhm.
or a
Mhm.
cloud if the migration happened some parts of cloud because not all the companies are completely migrated they are using hybrid model like some of the servers will be in the cloud some will be on prem some will be somewhere else so this
Right.
kind of knowledge the person should be having. Coming back to SAP, what I'm assuming is like the person whoever works on the SAP BTP, he should be having little bit of basis knowledge and the migration knowledge, and as well as the like handling the integration tools knowledge as well. That is what my understanding. Like if I'm talking about XYZ company, do they have three people, three different people, or two different people to manage all these three?
Okay, so I'll tell you, for migration, BTP doesn't have to take care. Okay, BTP admin doesn't have to take care about it.
Mm-hmm.
What BTP admin would be doing is it will be having an identity management that they have to take care about, which is there in the BTP activation of the services.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and ensuring that the service is always active to their those third party integrations and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there yes, we would require some prior knowledge on what ports it is, how the connection is done, which you already have, being
Mm-hmm.
from a network background.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, as you said, like for migration and all, no, you don't require that. And let me also tell you, your
Mm-hmm.
BTP administrator, we require a BTP admins everywhere now. Why? Because more and more people are getting onto SAP Rise.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so there are some products which are still there on premise, and we require this BTP platform to connect those products.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have seen the connectors which they use for this.
Yeah. So every project requires a BTP admin. The people,
And
those who are moving on to Rise or any other hyperscalers.
how these roles to be called as like a BTP consultant or SAP consultant? How the role will be like on an average? How the roles will be added to the platforms or industry, career industry?
So it will be a BTP administrator. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now there are also people also say BTP consultants, but that doesn't tell you whether it is a developer or an administrator.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That is the
Mm-hmm.
reason there is one BTP developer, BTP administrator. These
Mm-hmm.
are the two major areas where people develop their skills.
Developer means is it the same kind of things like DevOps related stuff or like do you have a knowledge on DevOps or something?
Not much. Why? Because
Not technically, I mean to say, like how the DevOps works, I mean to say.
yeah, so it is just kind of low code that they say. Okay, like
Okay.
everything you can
It is
see. Okay,
low code or no code?
no, it is LOW, low code.
Okay, low code. Okay.
Okay, so what they do is they themselves have that code and everything there. Why it is called low code is because it is equal to no code. Now, why
Mm-hmm.
they say it is as low code is because they have already given those codes and everything. You just have to copy paste and make that particular service enabled. This is what they say low code.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we don't have to invest our time in coding something and then making it right, even if there is a full stop or some error or something. No, we don't have to worry on that.
Mm-hmm. Mostly, it is the thing which the tool will take care of, and we should have the knowledge of how the code works at least.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Mhm.
So they have made most of the things easy in BTP. Okay, they are trying to get more, and SAP is trying to get more and more services now onto
Yeah.
BTP so that everybody would be echoing to, and it would be very useful for everyone to use it.
Mhm. And the services are getting changed day by day, and most of the new services are getting rolled out every day. That's what I have observed when I saw the platform.
Yes, yes, that is what I said. Like they are getting more and more, and it's an emerging now.
Hmm. Hmm.
So there are more and more demands also for BTP admins.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay, anything else, Purna, that you want to ask?
No, let we can start right now.
No, not a problem, because these are the important questions that one should ask in the beginning of the course itself.
Mhm.
Or even if we are, I mean, gradually picking it up, and you feel
Yeah.
like asking some other questions also, yeah, of course, you're welcome for that.
Yeah, sure, sure. And as I'm learning different things like basis and other stuff, if I have some doubts or if I have some basic doubts which I
I
don't know
lost you,
anything
Purna.
about,
I
can you
lost your
hear me?
voice.
Can you hear me right now? Can you hear me right now?
Hello.
Hello, Tripti? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Tripti, I can able to hear you.
Hello.
Uh, one second, please. Can you hear me right now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, there might be the headset problem. Yeah, if I ask you some silly doubts which I don't have the basic understanding, please don't mind. Because as I don't have the architect level information, so there may be chances if I ask a little bit of silly doubts.
So that is the reason we are having these sessions to get
Okay,
everything.
it's fine. Yeah, yeah,
Otherwise, see, you can also watch videos and get most of the things, right? But then
yeah, yeah,
this is what is important.
yeah.
Yeah. Please do not
I
hesitate to ask any questions, okay?
yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, if you say that, I don't even mind to ask.
Yeah. All right. So let's get started now. I'll just quickly share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
So, very before I start, the timing is all comfortable and everything.
Yeah, related to timing, let's talk about that. I'm flexible enough. At the moment, I'm not working, so I want to learn or pursue some new technology.
Mhm.
So, based upon your like, if you say that I have some work in the evening, let's start the doing on the morning time. Like,
Mhm.
my day starts at the time of IST, 12 o'clock or 11:30,
Okay.
something like that IST time. So after that, if you want to start the class and if you want to take a break at the evening, or if you have some different plans, we can do it.
Mhm.
Or we can do 2 hours in one session or 3 hours in one session. And if you are going for a leave for 2 days or something, we can also do that. So based upon both of our mutual understanding and convenient. Okay.
All right. I got it. All right. All right, so no problem. In case if there is anything, that comes up, like if I'm having some planned leaves or anything, I will let you know on that part also instead
Yeah.
of on the same day. Okay. And we, like I said, uh, also have we have 2 weekends, right? That is Tuesdays and Thursday, I guess. Right? Tuesday
Uh,
and Thursday, we don't have any class, right?
yes. 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 Yeah.
So, in case if I am working from home or something, okay,
Hmm.
so we can have a class on Thursdays also, okay, but not at the
Okay.
same time at seven
I
thirty or
understand.
something,
I
but
understand.
then
Yeah.
maybe
You,
prior to that.
Yeah, you can just reach me over the WhatsApp. Are you okay to start the class or something? I can join
Yeah,
with you. Okay.
yeah, all
And
right.
one more
That
thing,
is
I just want to make sure about this. My goal is to complete the or take learn the things as soon as possible and apply for the interviews and get the job. It's been 8 months till I don't have the work. So and here the process is very slow. So I don't want to be in a delay. So I just want to prepare the resume once I got little bit of understanding how it works. And I will just background in the background. I used to apply for the jobs and uh, so on. So as you can understand what I'm mean
yeah,
to say.
yeah, yeah. I got it. So you quickly want to complete this entire course and
Yes, yes.
start with this. Yeah, don't
And
worry.
if and technical part and troubleshooting part, you can just please stress on that, so that I will keep more attention towards it, because most of the things came over that only. The rest of the application and the tool we can easily learn, but technical towards it, it is very hard. Unless you have an experience, it is not that easy to get it.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I understand. No problem. So we will have it, okay. And when I would be starting this particular entire program, in case if you feel that I'm too fast or too slow or something like that, you also please tell me, okay.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
not
sure.
that you have to wait for the end of the class and then tell me or something. You can interrupt and ask me questions and even give me any feedback or anything else, whatever you feel like, okay.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Yeah.
A small thing, I guess there is some work is happening background? Is there any way
Yeah,
that you can come to
that
the
is so
closed area?
unavoidable. That is so unavoidable, actually. I don't know why this is scheduled today, because I called those guys yesterday itself. He didn't make it, and today again he is there.
Okay,
This
it's fine. It's fine, but I can understand your voice and all. But sometimes it is getting interrupted. It is fine. I can bear it. Um,
Yeah, please,
yeah,
please bear
yeah,
it for today, because from tomorrow they will not come.
it's fine. Let's carry on.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen now. Okay. Now, initially, um, let us understand first what is BTP. Okay. So, BTP is all about your business technology platform, and it also has a cloud strategy. Now, SAP Cloud Strategy is a direct response to, changing your market dynamics and your customer experiences. Um, for example, I will tell you, suppose you have a company, okay, of bicycle.
Mm-hmm.
Now, that bicycle company, what all departments you think would be having?
Steel, you mean to say rubber or the tires, whatever it is, and
All right, so that would be a raw material. So
different raw
sourcing,
materials, yeah, sources,
so
yeah.
sourcing and procurement department would be there. What all other departments you think we would be having?
Uh, Sales, of course, finance and marketing and designing,
Yeah,
and of course HR and all. This is standard thing which every company
yeah,
will having.
right. So every company has an finance department, sourcing, procurement, supply chain. So when I say about finance, why do we require a finance? The people, those who are managing all those uh,
Involved.
invoices and then payments and accounts and everything, those will be having into a financials. Okay.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
Now, when we talk about spend management, what is it? Again, it is a part of your finance, but then we say it as a spend management because whatever are the expenses for your company, those are
mm-hmm,
all categorized differently. Okay, so
mm-hmm.
spending means whatever are your raw materials that you require to spend on, or if there are any other extra charges on your what we say as an inventory charges, or
Okay.
there are some local charges on your laptops.
Administration, I mean to say transport or yeah,
So
IT
these, yes,
within
so
the house, in-house.
everything that is all expensed out is all into your spend management.
Mm-hmm,
Then you also have a supply chain management. Now, since you have a bicycle business, you would require some networks also, right? So that
mm-hmm,
you can distribute those bicycles in those regions and get it sold.
mm-hmm.
Okay. Then you will also have the HR departments, so that people, the employees in the company, the policies of the company can be maintained.
Mm-hmm.
Then you will also have a CRM, that is the customer experience. You will also ask people, how is my bicycle? What Please give the feedback. Okay, so people may give you the feedback on the working of the bicycle, or sometimes on the looks, or if there are some features to be added and all those things.
Is the CRM means customer relationship manager or management?
Yeah, CRM, yes.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, so
Like
CRM,
most of the CRM talks related to the customer feedback, or is there any other thing more?
yes, there are many more things in CRM. Now, what
Hmm.
exactly this thing, your customer has first point of contact is the CRM.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So what CRM will do is it will take the inputs from the customer. So whether it is a complaint, or whether it is an feedback, or whether they have something related to the products, like they want to buy one, two, three, and all those things. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
they will have a database and everything feed for their customers, and according to that, their inputs and everything would be feed into that particular database. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
so for every product based companies, customer experience is much more valued.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because before purchasing anything, we go and check the reviews first,
Mm-hmm.
right? Not the five-star reviews or something, but mostly customers are very much interested to see the one-star, two-star reviews. Ki what made them to give one star and two star,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. So, so that is what is most important, and that is what we go and see why that person has given one star and two star and all those things.
Mm-hmm.
So, whoever gets less one star, we prefer that particular product. I mean, into whatever we want to buy
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
against the competitors, right? So that is the reason customer experience is very much more important into this particular product based things. Now these all departments, everything we also have it into your on prem ERP also. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so what
Mm-hmm.
SAP has done is SAP has brought all these on prem things onto a cloud ERP, and
Mm-hmm.
that cloud ERP is nothing but your BTP. Okay,
Okay.
but in addition to this cloud ERP, what they have come up with in BTP is they also have these particular applications: spend management, finance management, and supply chain management, everything applications which can be integrated to other products also. So those products can be SAP products or some third party applications also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now it is SAP who certifies those third party applications also. That this and this third party application is compatible with my product. Okay.
Okay. I understand. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this is what it does. So that is the reason people are more and more interested nowadays into a BTP platform. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because you can integrate your on prem as well as cloud solutions, everything on this BTP. There
Okay.
are also some
Uh,
services.
Sorry to interrupt you. Like as you said, people are interested, very interested to use the BTP because of integration between on-prem and the cloud platforms. Also means, it is not the tool which helps. How the companies use. They don't want to use the on-prem and they just want to migrate completely towards. It is not the case, or most of the people just using simultaneously how most of the companies are using this BTP
Okay.
platform.
So, I'll tell you, in BTP, there are other platforms like Ariba, SAP Concur, Success Factors. Now,
Mm-hmm.
what are these? For if I tell you about expense management and all, we have SAP Concur, okay, which
Okay.
is a part of your BTP. Then
Mm-hmm.
for your um, sourcing and procurement, we have SAP Ariba.
Mm-hmm.
For HR related things, we have SAP Success Factors. Now, these are all cloud based solutions.
Okay.
Okay,
Which are not interrelated with the on-prem.
right.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what SAP has done is SAP has got these all cloud based solutions under BTP. And if you want to just get onto on prem, then you have your modules, that is FICO, then you have HR, SD,
Oh,
okay,
okay.
Prince's
Okay.
Abab
Mm-hmm.
and all those things. That's all into your S4 HANA products. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
earlier SAP had ECC products.
Mm,
Okay,
yeah. Mm-hmm.
now they are removing all those ECC. They are going to end their support by 2030, the
Mm-hmm.
mainstream support,
Mm-hmm.
and they want everyone to get migrated to S4 HANA if they want to still choose as in uh,
On-prem.
Yeah, on-prem, mostly, they are likely to tell everyone that you have to get onto SAP Rise, where it is all on cloud. Okay.
Mhm, mhm,
They have said everyone that you please be on cloud. Everyone has to come on cloud. But
mhm,
gradually, it will take 2035 for everyone to get onto this SAP Rise.
mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
But the this on-prem edition, they are anyways not selling any licenses for on-prem edition now anymore. They are all selling licenses for S4 HANA public cloud platform. That is what it is, SAP Rise.
Okay. Mhm,
Okay. And they are also cheering people to get these cloud ERP, that is the having their uh, this businesses on these success factors or some Ariba and these all things, Concur and all.
mhm,
Okay, for example, I'll tell you. Suppose there is a travel company.
mhm,
Okay, so they are selling their Concur portal. Like you can have all the details of the passengers. You can have all the details of your invoices and your travel timings, your reimbursements and everything.
mhm,
So that is your all about SAP Concur. Success
mhm,
factor is all about your this HR. So any company who is very much interested in one single platform, then they are telling you that you can use that travel and expense management, that is SAP Concur portal and all.
mhm,
Okay. Whereas some company is, for example, FMCG company is there. Okay.
mhm,
So instead of taking these Concur and then success factors, Ariba, and then other field glass and all these platforms, what they thought of, like, let us take one S4 HANA. That is the reason those companies are FMCG companies are still coming onto this BTP. But yes, they are using some services from BTP as well.
mhm,
Okay. And there is one monitoring solution. Okay. Usually there used to be one free solution for S4 HANA public cloud platform, that is Solution Manager. Okay. This
mhm,
was the product which used to monitor uh, the landscape, entire landscape of their SAP systems. Okay, which was
mhm.
free. SAP used to give that free. Now in this cloud ERP in BTP, they have got cloud ALM. Okay, now that is
Mhm.
free. Again, free of cost. It comes under the enterprise support itself.
Okay. It is that monitoring tool which can monitor all the modules or all the products.
Yes, all the whether it is on-prem products or any cloud-based products, everything it will be able to monitor. The
What was
cloud,
that? Can you tell me the name again?
cloud ALM.
Cloud ALM. Mhm,
Yeah, it is a service that you can activate in BTP itself.
mhm, mhm,
Okay, so this is what this slide says, that you have your integration and business application faster. Okay,
mhm,
then you also have some relevant apps. Now BTP has got up different apps also. So what are these apps? They have also introduced some Fury applications. Okay, the
mhm,
way they have Fury applications in SAP S4 HANA, similarly they have got those applications based on Fury. So
mhm,
Fury again is a kind of platform UI5, that is HTML5 they use in the backend, and they
mhm.
have developed that platform in such a way that it has applications that are based on tiles. Okay,
Based on?
tiles, tiles. So
Okay.
there will be a small square tiles. Okay,
Mhm,
on which if you click on that particular tile, you will
mhm,
be getting into that particular application there.
mhm.
Okay, So why they have got that is to just to make the customer experience better, end
Mhm.
user experience better, I would say.
Okay.
Okay, so what is this end user thing? um, so see, there are some people, those who are into just doing business. Okay,
Mhm.
they are not interested into, what is there in the back end, how the integration has happened, what is the configurations and all. What they are
Mhm.
doing here is daily business. They will generate a PO, then they will generate invoice, then they will sell some products, they will buy some products and all. So this is what purely a business. So they
Mhm.
need not have to worry on, what is there in the back end and all. So just to make their experience better, so we call them as end users. Okay. So just
Mhm.
to make the end users experience better, they have got a Fiori.
Mhm.
Okay, and based on that Fiori, like, you don't have to learn something for Fiori. I
Mhm.
mean, if you are end user, just to
Mhm.
use the platform, you don't have to learn anything about it. It
Mhm.
is same like, it is like just like, a shopping site that you, for example, you have. Now if you want to buy something, for example a laptop, okay,
Mhm.
and if you just open a Amazon website and all shopping website, and you don't have to learn, right, how to
Mhm.
go and buy that laptop.
Mhm.
It's just between some simple clicks, and then you can add to cart. If you want, you buy it, or you pay, or have it on cash on delivery, and then just check out, right?
Mhm.
Similarly, here also end users doesn't have to learn about SAP. Why? Because they will already have a tile in front of them. They will just click the tile. They will have that PO, or
Mhm.
their invoices created and all those things.
Mhm.
Okay. So based on that Fiori platform itself, they have used the same technology for building these apps also, BTP apps also.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. So they are leveraging all that particular Fiori itself, and they are being reliable enough so that they can also have some integrations also between those apps and the other third party products, or SAP or other non SAP products.
Mhm.
Okay. And they also, SAP also says that they are mostly into integrating their products with other different AI tools also. Okay,
Mhm.
so that they are automating the same particular workflows, and they are also having some repetitive tasks, whatever they are there, they
Mhm.
would be automating it.
Mhm.
Okay, and for running these AI applications, SAP is still, into the developing more and more things nowadays, so
Mhm.
that AI can be leveraged. Okay,
Okay.
and
Mhm.
whatever are the like repetitive tasks and all, they can just use AI, and people can have a better experience for their businesses.
Mhm.
Okay, so that is the reason, if you see here, the AI is, the entire platform, they want to ensure that AI is leveraged for all the platform.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you will also
Underlined.
have, yeah, so you'll also have your development and automation done. Data
Mhm.
analytics is again a part of your business itself. Okay, business now, let me give you some example here. Suppose you are buying a laptop. Okay,
Mhm.
you get onto some different shopping sites. Okay,
Mhm.
you go and search for a price. Okay, better deal.
Mhm.
Who is giving you a good this thing, better deal,
Discount.
because the features
Yeah.
and everything is going to get same if you have selected a model, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Any specific model. Now when you just get onto some shopping site, suppose it is Amazon or Flipkart or anything, so they will also give you some offers, right? You can also have some Sennheisers, and then you get this particular Sennheisers for some discounted rate. or you can also have this mouse related things, or some mouse pads, or some other accessory speakers or something, Bluetooth connectors and all those things.
Mhm.
So what is this? They are using your information itself, that you
Mhm.
have already navigated different sites,
Mhm.
and you also think that you might be interested into some other gadgets also which are complementing your laptop, whatever you are buying. Okay.
Mhm.
Suddenly they will not show you the car. Okay.
I understand. I
Because
understand.
yeah, they are just
But
using your information, and they are just giving you more and more options. Like, so even if you don't want to buy anything of it, no
mhm.
Sennheisers, nothing, but still you
Mhm.
get a better deal, you end up buying that also.
Okay. Mhm.
So that is what it is all about, data analytics. They are
Mhm.
analyzing your data, and then
Mhm.
they are giving you those offers.
Mhm.
Okay. Then you have is the integration. So everything is based on, integration nowadays, since you want to integrate different platforms, and that is what everybody wants it. Okay.
Mhm.
They don't want to stop using some product, they just want that product to be getting extended. Okay, so that is
Mhm.
what is your integrations, and BTP is what their major, I would say, a major advantage of using BTP is that they are allowing many more integrations.
Mhm.
Okay, now there are the pillars. Okay, now when I say about pillars, okay, so
Mhm.
you have, um like, wait, let me just take this one out.
Can you
Yeah,
click
can you?
on hide? There is a hide button next to it. I just want to say that only. Hide.
All right. The reason is because if I press escape, then it should not stop sharing. That's the only thing.
No, no. I mean to say hide.
Yeah, yeah,
That
I
will.
know, I understood. But if I
Uh,
hide this and if I press escape, it should not stop sharing. That's the only
okay.
thing.
Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All good. Yeah. Fine.
Okay, wait a minute. Yeah. So here you have is the foundational pillars. Now, when I say about pillars, you have your first is the SAP Discovery Center. Now, the
Mhm.
apps that we were talking all about, okay,
Mhm.
the applications, all the applications you will be seeing it under this SAP Discovery Center, okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
So, at the moment, they have 288 applications that they
Mhm.
have made it compatible for BTP to use it.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, so they will be keeping on growing because la- before 2 weeks it was 240, now they are, the number has increased to 88 apps.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay, similarly they will also have an content that is called business content and APIs under
Mhm.
your business accelerator hub. Now what are these APIs? You can use different programs, you can say, okay,
Mhm.
APIs, so that you can use those APIs for connecting different applications also.
Mhm.
Okay, now,
Is it like a customized APIs or they are like templates which the APIs are available, or is it like based upon the company they've developed their own APIs and merge it with the application? How it is?
so currently it is the standard APIs. Okay,
Okay. Mhm.
customizing, SAP is still bringing that particular thing. Okay,
Okay. Mhm.
customizations.
Mhm.
Now see, whenever they open a platform for customizations, people stop looking for the standard ones, right?
Mm.
And people
Yes, of
keep
course.
on, making it more and more complex.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So that is the reason they are yet to open that platform for customizations. Otherwise, they have those standard APIs, which should suffice the business. That is what SAP is telling.
Okay, I understand. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now, when I talk about foundational pillars, you have your application dev and automation.
Mm-hmm.
Then you also have integration. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then you have your data analytics here.
Mm-hmm.
And there is one is that artificial intelligence.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll go one by one. So when I talk about application and automation here,
Mm-hmm.
this is where BTP offers you a developer tools to extend, create, and automate applications, both in SAP as well as in third party.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so BTP will offer developer tools to extend, create, and automate applications. So it can
Mm-hmm.
be both SAP as well as the third party. Then you have SAP Build, that is all in one developer tool. So there is a tool called as SAP Build, BUILD. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it is all in one developer tool for any development and automation solution that will tell you that it is having low code or no code. Okay, so when I
Mm-hmm.
say it is no code means it is just with the clicks. Okay, and when we say it is low code means you have to copy paste some code for functioning that particular feature.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So with SAP Build, you can accelerate time to value with the generative AI and pre-built solutions that will help you to stay on budget and also ahead of the schedule.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you can extend this particular build a platform to your S4 HANA or both public and private editions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so when I say public and private editions means private means on-prem solutions also can be done. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and public cloud editions as well or private cloud editions also.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and SAP Build additionally what can do is it can also automate your business processes from your routine tasks to whatever complex workflows you have that will help you to enhance the efficiency and reduce the errors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you
Mm-hmm.
can easily design the digital workspace and the portals.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so when I had
Uh,
given
Means like setting the thresholds based upon the usage and doing the basic awareness or something like generating the emails or sending the emails to the clients or the opposite person to the usage users that this service is not available or something. Is that the one you
so
mean
the
to say?
automation you're talking about.
Yeah, automation I'm talking about.
Yeah. So, see, it depends now what are the repetitive tasks, okay, in that
Mhm.
particular company.
If you don't mind, can you, based upon your experience, can you tell me one or two repetitive tasks which you have used to do?
Okay. For example, if there is some program to be run, okay, on
Mm-hmm.
daily basis,
Okay, scripts. Okay.
yeah, scripts you can say,
Mm-hmm.
if
Mm-hmm.
they want to run, so you can do it using this particular platform, SAP Build. So they will have some program codes and everything and they will run it for you every day on that same time.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so instead of doing the same thing manually with any human interventions, what they will
Mm-hmm.
do is they will automate it.
Okay.
They will run the script and they will do that particular thing on the daily basis, whatever I mean, whatever is their frequency.
Okay, I understand. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, or if there is another example for workflow management. For example, if anybody is trying to buy something, okay, for a company,
Mm-hmm.
for example, some goods, buying of goods is getting, now that particular goods are getting bought every weekly, okay, and it also has a um, what we say, the limit, price limit. For example, if somebody is buying the goods below 3K, that is, okay,
Mm-hmm.
3000, below 3000 suppose, so it can be automatically approved. So the no approvals are required, for example, in
I
their
understand.
company. This
Mm-hmm.
is what is their, suppose, a workflow that they have designed. So that this is again an automation. Okay, that it
Okay.
will be automatically approved. No need for approvals, or just for spending 3K, they don't want weekly workflow. I mean, the workflows to be pending for a week.
I understand.
Okay,
I understand. Mm-hmm.
so that can be done automate. I mean, that can be automated.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Then, when I talk about your as a robotic process automation or process monitoring here,
Mm-hmm.
so what is it? For example, there is a particular agent, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
which will help me for automating that process. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For example, suppose a monitoring is always done, okay, 24 by 7. So there
Mm-hmm.
will be some agent that will be running in the backend for my
Mm-hmm.
systems, which is
Mm-hmm.
going to check if everything is okay or not for the
Okay.
system.
Health.
So those,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
if those metrics are all passed, means
Mm-hmm.
there is no alert that will be received to anyone. If any of the metrics is getting spiked up, the
Mm-hmm.
threshold is already reached and crossed,
Mm-hmm.
then it is going to give you the alert.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that is all about your monitoring.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when does the automation takes place? Now, if you know how to solve that, okay, if you have also given the information like how to solve this particular error, if this is occurring every Monday or every Tuesday or every week,
Mm-hmm.
so if that is also given into the system, and then that is just going to apply that automation. The
Mm-hmm.
resolution is going to get automated.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to run the script that okay, after so and so this thing comes, this can be run, and then the automated things can, I mean, the solution will be automatically applied.
Okay. I understand. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here what happens is, the consultants who are working on these, they have a lot of work to do. Okay,
Okay.
that
Mm-hmm.
if suppose this error has come, then what would be the script that has to be written, when it has to go, what should be the threshold, and all those things.
Are the scripts or this the platform administrator, BTP administrator needs to be take care, or will be the diverted to the particular development person or something?
So see, your BTP dev person, what they have to do is they have to develop all those scripts and all.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
whether that scripts are running properly or not, if the alerting and everything is coming into picture, who is getting alerts and all those things, it's the administrator who is going to take care of it.
Okay, I understand. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh, Already, I guess we are already past the time.
Oh,
So
okay.
what we can do is we can continue this tomorrow. Okay. So I will come to data analytics and integration tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yeah, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So what's the time now for you?
It is 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. All right.
Yeah. If you don't mind, you can also share all the things with me so that I will just
Yes.
go through the documents or before the hand.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will share it. Don't worry.
Mhm. And tomorrow at the same time, 7:30, or do you want to do before the hand or something?
No, tomorrow we will not be doing it. Okay. Tomorrow I have to go to my office. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
So maybe from next Thursday we can do that.
Okay. Like, are we also going? The class on Saturday and Sunday, or how it, may I know the class timings, how it works?
Yeah, so on Saturday, Sunday, we will do it early bit. I
Okay,
hope
we
that
do
is
have
okay.
the class. We do have the class Saturday and
Yes,
Sunday.
yes. So we
Okay, fine.
only don't have a class on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But
Okay.
however, on Thursdays also we'll try to accommodate. Since
Okay,
you can do it this quickly. I mean, since you want this to be done quickly.
I
Otherwise,
understand.
I can
Okay.
give you
No, no, I'm fine with it. Like, if you want to take 2 hours class at the same time or 3 hours class at the same time, also it is fine. If I feel that too much of information at the same time, I can ask you to stop. But I'm fine with it for initial days.
all right. So on weekends, that is on
That is
Saturday,
fine for
Sundays,
me.
we can do
That
it.
is
Okay.
that is fine for me.
Yeah. Yeah. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Now,
Thank you
thank
so
you
much.
so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Take
Yeah.
care. Yeah.
Bye bye.